Okay, I am going to go over showing how to do an open house QR code with GRA. What I really like about this is, this is for your sign-in sheet. You can get rid of one if you want to, or keep on using one. But when someone comes in, they just scan this QR code, they register, you get an email right away. I think it's called from Total Experts is the email you get it from. And it goes right into the Agent Advantage CRM. And the lender that you have with GRA also will receive all these leads as well, and they can start trying to pre-qualify them. But let me get into you and show you this a little bit. So if you just go to Agent Advantage GRA, Google that. You can click on the first one. If you don't have, if you've never been here before, you can just sign up. It's really easy to do. You'll pick your office, who your lender is, and then if you already have an account, you'll click sign in. So I am already on here. I'm going to come in, go to the main screen. So it'll start like this. You'll go over to co-marketing and then lead capture apps. All right, so here's a couple of open houses I've done. You'll see it has how many people registered, how many people viewed this. I can click on here on the address where it says lead source. Here's the people who scanned the QR code and registered at my open house. And from here, I can export these out into an Excel file and upload them into Moxie or any other CRM that I'm using. But also, like I said, your GRA lender will get all this as well, and they can start sending them out automatic emails and trying to pre-qualify them as well. And these leads, as they come in, they are attached to you. They know that this is Dana Kuhn's lead, and if the person starts with a pre-approval, the lender can reach out to me and say, "Hey, this person just did a pre-approval. They came to your open house," and they can send them over to me, and then I can reach out to them. So let's go back to this page here. Once it's created, you'll see here's the view page, the link that once they scan the QR code, this is what it looks like. They'll put in their name, phone number, email. Are you working with a real estate agent? What's nice about this is when they scan it, it'll allow them to pre-fill information from their phone right in here. So they don't have to sit there and type it all in while other people are coming in and stuff. Most people will just be able to click on it. It'll fill out all their information and they're able to go and you can keep on talking to them and they can look around the house. And you'll see it has my information as well as Pete, who is my Peter's mortgage guy information on there as well. Right. So how do you create this? Up here on the left, I'm going to hit create. Come down. You can call this the address of your open house. I'm just going to call this open house test 2. I don't change this web domain here at all. I'll leave that the same. I don't change, where this is all going. I don't change this here. Page title doesn't really matter. Only thing I'm really going to do is put the lender, who your lender is. And when you sign up, you'll choose who that is. You could change the background, but this is how it's going to look here. It's going to be just like this. And with my information, like I showed you before, and your lender's information. Okay. And then there we go. I scroll up a little bit. Save landing page. All right, you'll see it here. Open house test 2. I'll go to view page. And this is what we want to make a QR code out of. This page right here that they're going to scan. So I'm going to take this link up here, this URL, right click it. I'm going to copy it, go into desk. Over on the far left over here, you'll see marketing. I'll click that. Then you'll see right here, there's a QR code generator. I pop that URL in there, hit paste, and then hit download. And I'm going to save this into my downloads. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a little trick that you're going to have to do later. For whatever reason, it doesn't upload the QR code into this GRA thing. You have to pretty much take a screenshot of it, and I'll show you how to do that. So once that's made, you have your QR code. I'm going to come down here to print marketing, choose that. All right, brings all these up. Now, there's a bunch of different marketing flyers that you can find here. You can sit down with your lender or just pick through yourself and see what you like. But over here, I'm just going to type in open, pop that in there. And you'll see there's a couple different open house flyers that you can put your QR code in there. I just like using this simple one here. This is what it's going to look like. So up here on the top right of that, it says actions. Click select. Just have to choose what state. Go to PA. And then customize and publish. Okay. So now you'll see it has Pete's info, my info, and then I'm going to hit save first draft. Now, once I have this on here, if you scroll over, see how it turns it my cursor into a little finger. I can click on that where you place your QR code, and then I have to upload media. But I'll show you what happens when I try to upload the QR code that I just downloaded. Here it is. I get an error right here. So a little trick to do, I'm going to go into my files, go to my downloads, pull that up. Here's my QR code that I want. Now I want to take a screenshot on my computer of this. You can either hit print screen that I have on my computer, some of you have this, and then you can do it from there. Or most computers, if you just go down here, hit the search bar, I'm just going to type in snip. There's snip and sketch and there's snip and tool. You can use either one. I'm going to do the same thing. Some of you might just have one on one of your computers. I'm going to go to new, click that. And I don't know why this is up here in a way. Let's try that again. Snipping tool. Let's move that over. Usually that goes away. Hit new. I'm going to go just from this corner up here. I'm going to drag down, copy that. And then I'm going to save this. You can just save it to wherever. I'm going to put it back in my download so I know what it is. Just call it open house or open QR. Save that. Okay. So now let's get back to the Agent Advantage page where I'm trying to upload that. I'm going to click Upload Media. Go to that open QR code that I just took the screenshot of. And you'll see it like that one. I can click on it and hit Use Image. Now it created the QR code on there for me. And I'm going to hit Publish. Okay. Brings that up under Actions. Now it looks like the QR code's not on there, but you'll see. I'll go to Actions, Download PDF. Then you see it has the QR code or information on there. I could just print this out and then take it to my open house. Now it's up to you if you just want to do like all your open houses on one that you do through your lead. Let's see, through your lead capture apps. You could just do one if you want to and just keep on using that same QR code for all of them. And you'd be able to see people just keep on registering. But I like it that I know what house it is in different areas, that I have a better idea of what area and house they're interested in and price range and stuff like that. So, this has taken me 10 minutes or less to show how to do it. But this is how I would recommend doing it so who's looking for what. But yeah, that's pull that back up here. Or where did it go? Yep, there it is. So I just print that out, take it with me. They come in, I say, hey, can you just scan this real quick and sign in for me? You can take another one if you want to, if people aren't good with QR codes or phones, or some people are not, and have a actual sign-in sheet with a pen if you'd like to. But the last one I did, every person that came through scanned it, signed in, and they all said, well, that was way easier than the other open houses we went to. So um, just something you can use. Hopefully you find this video helpful. So that is it, and thank you.